Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good noon. By the way, this is Steve Hoong. Would like to say to all viewers across the globe, happy Valentine's Day because of February 14, 2026. Okay. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is only located here in the Philippines. But they can, once they finish this college, they can go abroad. They are accepted abroad. Globally, Globally. Okay. Now, the question is, what is this college school that I'm referring to? Okay. Are you from Mapua? Mapua Institute of Technology, MIT, in Manila? If your answer is yes, this is another college that is in the digital age. Remember, my fellow viewers, lahat po tayo ay nasa digital age na po tayo. Modern age na po tayo. Hindi na yung kagaya dati na para tayong kayod karabaw. Ito, moderno na po ito, my fellow viewers. Itong tinutukoy kong abbreviation or acronyms ay matatagpuan ito sa Cabuyao, Laguna. Cabuyao, Laguna. Ito siya, meron tong kaugnayan sa Mapua University sa Makati City. Tama? Okay. Meron din yan sa Manila at ito rin sa iba yung sa Visayas. Kasi later on in the future, makakaroon yan ng digital college kasi sa ngayon, ang tawag pa yan, Visayas Mindanao. Ngayon, sooner or later, aabot yan sa Mindanao, pero inuna nila muna ang Bacolod City. Ano itong digital college na tinutukoy ko? Ito ay tinatawag kong MMDC, Mapua Malayan Digital College. Yes, tama narinig niya, my fellow viewers. Ang MMDC na tinutukoy ko ay Mapua Malayan Digital College. Ano itong digital college na ito? Bakit ko nasabi MMDC? Ito ay may kaugnayan sa YGC, yung may-ari ng RCBC or known as Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation. Pamay-ari ng Yuchenko. Ang Ayala is, syempre, ang Ayala Corporation, meron silang Ayala Malls, no? Meron silang tinatawag na Yuchenko Ayala Partnership. Kung matatanda ninyo, meron silang Ayala Education. So, yung Ayala Foundation. So, yung mga scholarships, doon dadaan. Ang Yuchenko, meron din silang foundation sa mga educational scholarships also. So, ito siya ay pambihirang digital college po ito. Hindi to basta-basta lang na college. Hindi sobra pa sa computer science, my fellow viewers, sinasabi ko sa inyo. By the way, meron to sa Learning Hub sa Visayas. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Ayala, I think Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. By the way, yung mga fresh graduates na po ay natanggap na po sa Victoria City, LGU. Ang sabi pa nila, yan daw ay game changer. Yung nasa Cabuyao, Laguna campus, wow, I was surprised. Wala na sila dito sa Philippines, nasa abroad na po. Global talaga. Tanggap na sila. Pag-graduate, Pag-graduate. Kasi yung mga tinuturo, yan yung mga true to life scenario, true to life situation. Kaya mabilis ang pagturo, teaching. Ang iba, gusto na nga mag-teach. So, yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, my fellow viewers. This is the first time you will be ever heard. Mapua Malayan Digital College. Wala pang ganyang klaseng college. Hindi to state university. It's a private college. Then, tama hinala ninyo, my fellow viewers, may possibility po ito ma-convert ito in the future as university. CHED accredited po ito or Commissioner on Higher Education accredited po yan. Kaya safe po ito pasukin at pag-enroll. Thank you so much for listening, my fellow viewers. Good noon. And again, as what I've said, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much.